back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as well. Please go subscribe for me now, like and comment. Yes guys, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. Alright, yes guys, welcome to Patois Chronicles fruit cake, aka Jamaica Christmas cake. Of course, you don't know the thing set. You come to Jamaica, you not try this. When you're there, wait pan, you need for come back down here. Jamaica fruit cake, of course, was known to get here from England, but we put our own like a twist into it. Our ancestors duping a little bit of rum and beer things. Yeah. So I can go right now in the word for today. Come down here in Jamaica, you will hear that word, and of course you go hear it in a sentence. Tanaya yard. Yeah, myself a Tanaya yard.
So watch this entire video now and you know what tan and your yard mean, alright? Stay tuned. Boom. First panelist. Egg. Here in Jamaica we say egg. Yeah, we put the H out when the H and I forgot. Yes, guys.
Yes, so is it Sharon near me egg? Is which one a unu near me egg? Is which one a unu near me egg? Yes, even though H does not belong anywhere near egg, Jamaicans put H where it's not supposed to be, and we will take the H from where it's supposed to be. So egg, egg, is which, and some will say our uno nyam me egg fa, but in this sentence is which one a uno nyam me egg? Is which one a uno nyam me egg? Egg, yes, pronounce that H. Egg. Is which one a uno nyam me egg? So you come in to Jamaica and you hear this, you don't know the things that I already say now to say, really? H is wanna get that from, alright? So let's see what it goes in an English translation. See it here now. Alright, as I say egg. Which one of you guys ate my egg? Which one of you ate my egg? Which one of you ate my egg? In Jamaica, yeah, you will find some Jamaican will say like this, because of course you have people who will speak properly, or we say properly. That's what we talk about when you say, oh, English. When you say you speak properly, but Jamaican, of course, we all speak. Our language is unique. Next panelist. All right, we're gonna. Me are the only one that the tan till in done, you know. Me, or someone say me, but in this case me are the only one that did tan till it done. Me are the only one that did tan till it done. Me are the only one that did tan till it done. Try it. I know this one is a bit advanced, but you can do it. Come on. Me are the only one, and the word we're using for Patois today is ongle, and it's in English stayed. Alright, ongle stayed. I was the only one that stayed till it was finished. Alright, that's pretty much what we're saying. So that's the translation. That's pretty much what we're saying. I was the only one that stayed till it was finished. So you guys get it. Ray. Next panelist. Jism. Here in Jamaica, you will find this is mostly in the Christian part of it too. You will hear Jism. Some will say some will say Sam. So Jism peas or Jism peas. I can't believe that me lose the game. Jism peas. I can't believe that me lose the game. Jism. No, sir. Me not a thief, you dead thief. Me, you lie, little boy. You say, hey, big. Yes, here we'll find a way to put some form of drama or humor to it. We in Jamaica, we love to express ourselves. So you have to find the word, fill in the expression, and thing, and you get it. Yeah, I don't know see bright and things. So Jesus.
Jesus and peas. Me can't believe me lose the game. Hey, you know see that thief? I lie at you. You have to go play back that over.
You're too thief. Yeah, we in Jamaica, we get all defensive for that and we'll say, it's just a game. Me no business. Allow me chat. Make me speak me mind. When someone say speak me mind or chat me mind. And my mouth. Allow me and my mouth. Alright? So Jesus. Try it now. Jesus. And in English language, it's so simple. Say, oh my God, or wow. Oh my gosh, or oh my God, or wow. I can't believe I lost that game, bro. Yeah, here in Jamaica, brother, me lose it. A thief, yo, me not play it around, put me them way. You're fast. Something wrong with you. So I think you're idiot, man. Me not lose that. I have to go forward that again. Away the pan. Yeah. So that pretty mean you have to play back the game because I believe I was cheated. Alright? Next panelist. This is what the government saw for do. Tanaya in the yard. Yeah. For me, I work at home, so pretty much I don't have anywhere to go. Tanaya yard. Alright? But the salon, when you have to go up on the road, I say things like, but you want everybody feel? Tanaya yard. So come here in Jamaica, you hear? Tanaya yard. It's pretty much everywhere now. It's all becoming a song. Tanaya yard, Mr. Tanaya yard. Where you want to go about Tanaya yard? Hey, Tanaya yard, Mr. Tanaya yard. OMG. Yeah. So tan a your yard. Tan a your yard. And for some people they will use AH instead of A. So Tanaya your yard. I tell you, we Jamaicans, I'm from Kingston, by the way, so my patois is not as deep. As I said before, there are 14 parishes here, and to each parish carry its own accent and its own twist to it as well. So being a Kingstonian, you pretty much can understand, and we talk really fast. You think me talk fast? Wait till I book up on some of the Kingstonian. My mom, she was a fast talker. She was from St. Elizabeth. So now, yes, she was born and raised in a St. I am a Kingstonian, alright? So me a Kingston bud. So see it here now in English, stay home. Alright? So Tanaya yard, stay home. So that's pretty much it. So say it now. Tanaya yard, stay home. Alright? And thank you very much for watching this video. And of course the word for today is stay. Alright? So put it down in the comment section. And let me see, because I'm watching to see if people putting it in and out obey. So stay are the word for the day. Stay home. Alright? Tanaya yard. So I think you're pretty much ready to come here in Jamaica and lose and go on with beer things, because that's what the thing said. So tan a your yard. Tan a your yard. Now come out. Tan a your yard. Stay home. Next panelist. Smaddy. Yes, that one you know, Smaddy. Smaddy tell me say you did that shot me. Smaddy tell me say you did that shot me last night. Or Smaddy tell me say you did that shot about me. You that shot me. You that name. You're here in Jamaica, you'll say, you name me. You me hear saying just lift for my name like leech. Yeah, like leeches. And some Jamaica will even go as far as I want my name a bubble gum, my name a Colgate, and we will say Colgate. My name a Colgate, so that's a lift for my name like Colgate. We will find things and pretty much you will enjoy. You're like, are they arguing or something yet?
Somebody tell me say you did that shot about me. We had shot me around. Let me leave now. Yeah, we will say let me leave now.
Make my fat stay up on my body. Simple mean just stop talk about me. That's what it means. Alright, so Smaddy. Here in English language, someone or somebody. Somebody told me you were talking about me, or someone. So somebody, someone. For some people, they don't like to be called somebody. They will say, call me someone. So pretty much you get it. So, you know, you can write these translations down, and of course you've been doing a great job, and I know you can do good. So thank you very much for watching. Of course, we come to the end of another Patois video. Never get to see who did first come up, but no problem, I can always put another other one, don't it? So yes, remember to check out Morning Glory at 6 a.m. every day, yes, from Sunday to Sunday. Yes, and guys, remember games night on Thursday at 6 p.m. and of course you need to check me out on Sunday evening at 4 p.m. and all those time are Eastern Jamaican time. So what go on now? Tell me the things that I remember. The word for today is, type it down below and let me hear. So stay safe now, walk good and from boom bang bang. Bye.